Guys, we're out here in the woods because Brother Scott has Brother Scott has hunted another deer down. And she's right over here. Beautiful doe. That's a big girl. She's big. So just moving some sticks out of the way so that we can drag her out of here after we process her. I'm gonna watch and learn like you guys. This is a mess over here. This is from trees being harvested on our land. Beautiful. I've never seen this done laid down, so.
Never?
Never. So. Okay. So if you could explain what you're doing.
Yeah, first thing I'm doing is disconnecting the rectum from the colon.
Yeah.
That's what the butt out's for.
Oh, the butt out.
Butt out.
Okay.
Literally, that is its name.
I'm gonna come over here where I can see that better.
So basically, you stick it up inside the rectum there, twist it, and get a hold of the material. And then you can, the whole idea is just basically to, they make a bigger one. I think I needed to get, my buddy's got a bigger one.
She's a big girl.
Yeah, she is. So basically you take and just pull until it disconnects.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Okay.
And then when pull the guts and stuff out,
Yeah.
it pulls the colon right out,
Okay.
right out through that.
Yeah.
With her.
Okay. Gotta make sure I get the right angle here.
Yeah, probably the best would be to come from this side.
Okay.
So I'll just explain. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to start cutting from right here, all the way up through the. You go to the side of the brisket of the breast. You don't go up through the center of it. You just cut the ribs off the side.
Okay.
Because you got to get up inside the throat to cut the esophagus off.
Yeah.
And then you just have to cut the lung lining wall, get away from the walls.
Uh-huh.
And then basically you can just take and pull it backwards and out.
Okay. How deep are you going when you do that? Just,
Initially, well, you just go into you want to get into the skin.
yeah. Do not want to pierce anything in there.
No, you do not. Especially if you haven't already.
Right.
So take your time, pull up on it, get up through the lining.
Yeah, don't be aggressive.
No.
Never want to, with any processing. Are you going to do a V there or no?
No,
Just-
once I get this all done, then what
Okay.
I'll do is I'll come down here and we'll end up cutting right down through here
Okay.
to open it up, and then that helps with the removing of the...
Yeah.
So then the other thing we want to do is we want to get through that lining because there's a muscle.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to be real careful. See that? See this wall?
Yeah. And you're holding your fingers to keep it
To the
away from
side.
anything
Right, and
that's
then just-
inside.
Yeah, then you just use the tip
Yeah.
of the knife.
Yeah.
They make other ones. They make them with a curve on them and like a blade,
Yeah.
so you can basically go like this,
So
and
you
the
can
bottom of it's protecting that, and then just
The gizzard, yeah. Or the
like
inside.
so. But see, she's already started to come out.
Yeah.
So that's why you got to be careful. You just got to get your fingers up under there, and then of course you got to be careful. You don't want to cut your fingers.
Right. Very sharp knife, I'm sure.
Yep.
Sharp knife is a butcher's friend.
Still nice and warm.
Mm-hmm.
This is one big go.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Just got a stomach full.
Well, this came from feeding all night,
Mm-hmm.
heading to bed.
You call this what? Field dressing?
Yep. Or gutting.
Gutting. Yeah.
See where I got just a little bit
Yep.
of snips on there? That's why you got to be careful because that's the gut.
Mm-hmm. You don't want any of that biome on anything.
See, so I'm into the breast a little bit right here.
Mm-hmm.
She has got watch yourself.
Just in case he loses control.
Yep.
Because you're going through harder tissues and breastbone or rib bone. You're not going through the breastbone, you're going through the rib, right?
Yeah. Going to the side to go through a rib.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. There we go.
Good.
Watch yourself.
Okay.
So then once you get it, see what I'm talking about,
Yeah. Yeah.
the material. So then once you get here, take a look up in there.
Oh yeah.
So then you reach up in here, grab the esophagus and all the stuff going that goes to the up through the neck to the head.
You got your lung tissue right there too.
Yep.
Connected to the esophagus.
Can you pull that?
Yeah. Sure can.
Get your... Yeah, you want to be real careful.
You breaking another rib or
No.
just trying to get through that tissue?
Here we go. There we go. So, okay.
The pinky stuff is her lungs.
Oh yeah.
I see her heart in there.
Heart looks like it might be in pretty good shape.
Yeah, might have to take that home.
Yep.
Liver, maybe. Dogs would love that. Have a lot more connected tissue than, well, separate both of the chambers, right? Does it help if I hold her legs?
That's all right.
Man, she's a beauty. Fur is very soft. It's a lot more connective tissue than like a chicken or anything else I've processed.
Oh yeah. Got it. Didn't get the rectum completely disconnected. That's what the problem is. There we go.
Might want to spray her out when we're back. Yeah.
So that's really all there is to it. You know?
Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah.
Beautiful heart.
Certainly wasn't thinking.
Yeah. Beautiful. One thing a grapple's great for